Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that YFSX token. Now before I start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, YFSX token is the governance and deflationary token within a community-driven dual token DeFi ecosystem built on the BNB smart chain. Governance and deflationary call. YFSX holders govern the ecosystem and benefit from a built-in automatically burn mechanism that reduces supply over time. Dual token system. It operates synchronously with VIN, a separate utility token for peer-to-peer lending and ecosystem safety. Community-driven foundation. The project is fully decentralized with no premium team allocation or venture capital, run on the principle of code is low. YFSX project institution rating is 3.8 and this project audited by Ceritic. YFSX token total supply is 18,000 and circulating supply is also 18,000 YFSX token. YFSX token is listed on PancakeSwap V2, Uniswap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.